In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user roles and invite users Zoho books. Before you start bringing teammates into your organization, it's best to define exactly what they can see and do. Roles in Zoho books let you control access to sensitive areas like invoices, bills, banking, and reports, so you maintain clean books and protect your data. Begin on your Zoho books dashboard and head to the settings area by clicking the gear icon, typically found in the top right corner. This opens the main settings hub where all your configuration options live. From here, choose roles. You'll see a list of any existing roles, including the defaults that come with Zoho books. These defaults are handy, but creating your own roles gives you the flexibility to match your team's responsibilities exactly. Next, click New Role to create a role from scratch. Start by giving your role a clear, descriptive name. Think in terms of the job to be done and the access level required. For example, Sales Read Only or Accounts Payable Manager are more informative than generic names. Good naming makes it easy to assign the right access when your team grows. Add a brief description to capture the purpose of the role. This is where you note what the role should do day to day, any limits to their access, or who this role is intended for. That little bit of context helps you and other admins stay consistent over time. Now, set the permissions for the role. You'll see options grouped by modules such as sales, purchases, banking, and reports, with controls for actions like viewing, creating, editing, and deleting. Use the principle of least privilege here. Grant only what's necessary for the role to succeed. For instance, a read-only role might allow viewing invoices and customers, but not editing or deleting them. Be especially mindful with permissions for banking, adjustments, and organization settings, since those can affect your books and compliance. When in doubt, start conservative and expand later. Once you've reviewed the selections, click Save. Your new role is now added to the list and ready to use. You can repeat this process to set up additional roles for different teams or seniority levels, keeping your permissions consistent and easy to manage. As a next step, when you invite users to Zoho Books, you'll simply assign one of these roles to each person so their access matches their responsibilities from day one. If someone reports they can't find a module or action, revisit the role's permissions and adjust accordingly. That's it. Your custom role is created and saved, setting a solid foundation for secure, organized collaboration in Zoho Books.